Are you looking to clean up your Instagram profile by archiving multiple posts at once? In this video, I will show you how to easily archive multiple posts you've shared by date on Instagram using your PC. To get started, open your Instagram account and navigate to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on the More icon or the three dots to access additional options. Next, click on Your Activity to view a breakdown of your posts and other activity on Instagram. From the Photos and Videos section, select the Posts tab to see the posts you have shared on your account. To filter posts by date, click on Sort and Filter, and then enter the start and end dates for the period of posts you want to archive. Once you've entered the dates, click on Apply to see the posts within that time frame. Now, click on Select and choose the posts you want to archive. You can select multiple posts at once by clicking on each post individually. Once you've made your selections, click on Archive and confirm the action. Your selected posts will now be archived and no longer visible on your profile. By following these simple steps, you can easily organize and declutter your Instagram profile by archiving multiple posts at once. Give it a try and see how it can help you manage your Instagram account more efficiently.